I'm Kate Hardy and I'm an Associate Professor in Work and Employment Relations.
Hi, I'm Vera Trappmann. I'm also an Associate Professor in Employment Relations at the Business School.
So universal basic income is a general principle that everyone in society would receive an income unconditionally, regardless of their personal situation or their employment status.
So universal basic income is a very contested concept. There are a lot of arguments in favor and a lot of arguments against the universal basic income. To summarize, the main advantages that people see in the debate is that it should be a civil right for a basic secure income, like the right for education. Second, it breaks the link between an income and wage labor, so you are not forced any longer to work or be employed in order to have an income. And it revalues the unpaid care work that we all often do. And beyond that, it opens up to think about different lifestyles, how we want to live, how we want to live better in a way. Some of the perceived disadvantages of the universal basic income are that it is not feasible, so that it's basically impossible to finance. Others are afraid that it risks to replace the welfare state, and there is a risk that it will have an impact on wages going down, and that workplace organizing will be more and more difficult. We wanted to have this event because the universal basic income is such a topical topic, and it's so necessary to have a debate about it. So we decided we bring together academics, practitioners and the public to discuss the advantages and the challenges and the risks of the universal basic income.
We really feel that the event was a big success because we had over 100 people sign up for the day. And what was really good is that we got the exact mix of people that we wanted. So practitioners, politicians, journalists, academics and members of the public. And because we got both sides of the debate into the room, it led to a really, really lively discussion. And lots of people commented on this. People also fed back to us that it was really good, particularly as a member of the public, to be able to attend the event for free. So one thing we want to do as a result of the event is to produce an edited collection. In this, we'll bring together the contributors from the day, and what we really want to do is produce a debate around universal basic income, because there have been other books, but they tend to be one-sided. So through the book, we want to really continue the really nuanced debates that started on the day.